Okay, stop. This is so wrong. Clear away the clutter and clean up that newspaper. This is the right way. Mount the newspaper on a hard board and highlight the date. You are going to learn the simple and correct way for you to submit fantastic photographs to reveal your true before and after Skin Games case study results while properly adhering to the rules of the Skin Games. Now stay tuned towards the end of this training video and you will learn exactly what those rules are. Hi, I'm Christine Heathman, a licensed master esthetician, best known as the CEO of GlyMed Plus, purely professional skincare. And I also am recognized as the instrumental individual who implemented the first master aesthetic license, signed into law in the state of Utah. And I currently serve on the Utah State Board of Licensing, representing master estheticians. My long career has provided me extensive experience with thousands of skin treatments and referrals from such prestigious institutions of skin as Stanford Dermatology Department, Bath and Burn Unit in San Francisco, University of Utah Plastic Surgery Department, and from many plastic and cosmetic surgeons and physicians to care for their patients' skin. When overseeing the care of these valued patients who exhibited dermatological, congenital, accidental injury, and postoperative before and after pictures was so important. Getting your before and after pictures right is a standardized discipline devoted to measure progress of your case study skin treatments. These pictures evaluate your merit of skill, and the saying, "A picture is worth 1,000 words," will evaluate the efficacy of the ingredients, the products, and competence as an esthetician player in the Skin Games. You know, photography is a commonly used means of visual communication among healthcare professionals to monitor progress of a skin condition. With our smartphones having cameras, you can use these with relative ease and immediately check your pictures and repeat if you're not satisfied. Also, lighting is very important. Harsh light sources such as sunlight emphasize imperfections, including wrinkles, blemishes, blotchiness, and uneven skin texture. Your skincare judge will be able to detect this. Softer light sources reduce the texture and appearance of imperfections, and again, this lighting will be evaluated. Always balance the quality of light in your full spectrum to provide an honest before and after picture. The broader and closer the light, the softer the light that lessens the shadows. The narrower the source, the harder the light. Take several test photographs for lighting balance for the trueness of the skin condition. Prior to your before and after photography, here are some rules to follow. You must take before and after photos of your model on the start date and after photos on the end date of their week 8 treatment. Each before and after photo set must contain 3 photos. 1 front view, 1 of each side profile view, and each photo must have the model holding that same newspaper with the date visible. Actual date on the newspaper must be within 3 days of the photo. Any participants who fail to follow these directions will have points deducted. Obtain a before and after informed consent form prior to photographing, filming, or videotaping your Skin Games case study. If you obtain a consent form for the treatment, which is also called your intake form, In the Skin Games case study, the American Health Information Management Association suggests this should be included with your photo consent form. HIPAA guidelines mandate the protection of a client-patient privacy, requiring that your case study model is adequately informed of the use of your pictures. This protects you in the event you want to display the pictures or use in any form of advertisement of your skincare business. One of the basics of clinical photography is to stress the area of interest on the facial area or body of your chosen category, whether it's acne, aging, pigmentation, rosacea, or other skin conditions. These examples I am now showing you will provide you a simple guideline. Now, remove any kind of clutter or other distracting elements from the background when you're shooting a before and after. Items like ornaments, plants, skin machines, instruments, anything that unnecessarily diverts focus from the problems on the skin, like wrinkles, acne lesions, pigmentation, rosacea, or whatever the skin problem may be. These items do not belong in your before and after pictures. It's strictly unprofessional. Both before and after pictures should present your model with a normal, relaxed face. No smiling, no squinting, no frowning, no hair on the face, no looking down, no looking up, or any facial animation that gives a false reading on the facial skin. Remember, the emphasis is on the skin, not the client. Always take before and after pictures in the same setting, same model positioning, same background, same lighting, and same settings on your camera or camera phone. Do not use a beauty filter. Best to use autofocus without that. Always have the model's hair pulled back and same cape draped across the décolleté. Camera phones have the ability to catalog saved images. If you choose to use a different camera, follow the same rules. To maintain consistency, you can use a light blue, white, or green non-reflective surface, like a linen cloth, as a background or a slide projection screen. When taking your after pictures, examine your before pictures first and duplicate. Ensure the distance, the position of your model is the same, the lighting is the same, the representation of your chosen skin category is photographed the same as the before pictures. And most importantly, the setting is exact. A good idea is to have a permanent setup in your clinic at all times to take before and after pictures. The benefit reaps the reward when you can show your clients the progression and use of all of your photos to create a fantastic marketing book new clients can review, showing your skills and results. Now, let's examine a few right and wrong ways of before and afters. I trust the Skin Games instructional and educational video has been helpful to you to take your before and after pictures to the next level in this contest to win. Remember, you will always want to ensure the right representation of your skin talent for today and future reference. The Skin Games hope you enjoyed this presentation, so now it's game on!